So before I start my January month in review, I just wanted to come on here, and Moogie and I wanted to thank Linda and Nursey for your Ko-fi donation in January. So thank you for everyone for all your support. Appreciate you all, and yeah, I think Moogie's ready to call it a night. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Kimbaskrafts. My name is Kim, and if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos and checking it out, I hope you enjoy what you hear and see. If you're returning from a previous video, as always, I appreciate your continued support. We are here with my January month in review, and yeah, I think I was pretty productive in January. I'm very happy with what I've gotten done. Here is my logbook. I'm going to also show you guys in this video some of the things that I've been doing to try to stay more organized. That is my year theme of the year. So yeah, so this is my January tab here, and in January I have the events page that I printed up from the Diamond Painting Events group run by Kay Radebaugh, and it's in here. Let me show you February's. Okay. And it just lists all the months. It lists all the events of the month, the ones that are continuing from the previous month, and then the year long. Okay. So I have all of that here. This is my log. And so it tells you my start date and my end date on here. And I have a couple note sheets. I'm going to pull these out as I don't use them, because they're just taking up more space on my rings here. And then we have my first finish, which is this one that you're looking at here. It's called Puppies and Butterflies. It's by Captured by Radiance. And this is the only whip that I brought over from the previous year. This was a promotional item, and I've talked about this. I didn't really enjoy doing this one. It's very pixelated. I've also talked to Debbie or Deborah. Sometimes she goes by Janae, over at Captured by Radiance, and I told her, and she said she was aware this was not hand rendered. They thought they were getting hand rendered, and unfortunately they were not. Since then, they have switched suppliers. They work with artists directly to ensure that their products are hand rendered. I know that they're releasing some new canvases this month. So if you just do a YouTube search, Captured by Radiance sneak peeks, then you'll see who is showing those canvases off. So this canvas, I did a lot of blinging up on the top here, and then when I got down here I stopped because I just wasn't enjoying it, and I figured, honestly, I feel like I should have just stuck with the drills that it came with. I think it would have looked better. I don't think that I added anything to the actual painting that enhanced it in a better way. I chose a lot of crystals, just not loving the way they're just kind of sporadically splattered everywhere. And I'll just give you a little close-up of what I mean. That's one of the puppies. That's a dog. So yeah, it's kind of irrelevant because this is not the supplier that they use now. And I was thinking about doing Unicorn Love for Valentine's Day, but I think that I've had a change of heart, and I'm not going to be doing that one. So yeah, moving this off. So this was my first finish, and again, it wasn't a start in January. This was my second finish for January. I love him. I just posted him in the VIP group. I showed that I did this mitten change here. This is Little Dragon by Tatiana Bogma. And, oh, I didn't tell you all the stats of the other one. That's an Adrian Chesterman, and it was an 80 by 60 square drill. This is by Tatiana Bogma. This is Little Dragon, and it's a 43 by 61 square drill diamond painting. Thoroughly enjoyed this. The drills were, as you can see, very bright and colorful. The rendering was amazing. This is from the company Diamond Art Club. This was not a promotional item. I do not work with Diamond Art Club in any way. This was my 61st completion for my lifetime and my second completion for 2025. It came with 4 ABs, and that's what I have on here. I did not add any ABs or any enhancements. It took me 14 days on the desk, 13 days of actual working on it, and 22 hours and 52 minutes to finish it. I started it on January 7th and completed it on January 20th. So, yeah, really enjoyed him. He's so cute. I'm thinking about hanging him up in my craft room. I don't have a lot of wall space in here, guys. It's kind of disappointing. But I would like to hang him up in my craft room on one of those, you know, magnetic picture frames. And then here is my final finish for January. This is Mary by Star Ore. Really loved doing this one. I bought a frame for her. And I'm going to frame this one and the little angels that I did by Star Ore and hang them up above Bob's nightstand in our bedroom. This is a 35 by 47. It's a round drill diamond painting. This was not a promotional item. I got this off of Amazon. It's my 62nd lifetime completion and my third for 2025 in January. And the drills were great. They line up beautifully. For a small painting, I feel like it really rendered very, very well. And I really, really had a lot of fun doing it. Look how sparkly. Almost her entire dress is rhinestones. So, yeah. Prasad KB is the artist, so very happy with this finish. And that was my last finish. I did start and finish another diamond painting already. I started it in February, and I'm already done it. I mean, I started it in January, and I've already completed it, but I am going to be showing a video on it, so I'm not going to talk about that canvas. Let me see. Hold on one second. I'm trying to see what day I started it. Yeah, I started it on January 31st, actually. So, I just want to show you also what else I've been up to as far as trying to stay organized. So this is my timesheets. So I have like when I start it, when I complete it, and then date and time. Time meaning how long I spent on it that day. And so on this one, there's 12 rows. I'm actually going to do dessert 1, dessert 2. And so I'm just going to have all the desserts because there's 12 desserts in this mini kit from Bella Art Diamonds. I did a sneak peek video on this. You can look on my channel if you're interested in seeing that. So I finished dessert 1. Actually, I finished that on January 29th. So let me go ahead and grab that. And here we go, guys. The drills line up so beautifully. They're so pretty. Yes. Love that. So I guess that's a finish in January as well. So I'm going to do 3 desserts a week. So I have to do 2 more desserts before the end of the week. And then I have my, this is my, like what I'm paying out every month to run my channel. And then what I make. So nothing up here yet. And then I started this video tracker. So I got these star stickers from Amazon. And I'm keeping track of my whipping chats and my kitten chats, because this way I can just look on this page rather than scroll through and see what number I'm on, because I just think that's going to be easier. So this is my video tracker, and then we can fill this out together. So this is my 2025 drill shape tracker. It's going to tell me what drill, how many of each drill shape I'm on. So I just showed you my 3 finishes. So the first one was the puppers. Oh my goodness, I'm having such a hard time speaking today. Puppies and Butterflies. And that was square drill. So I'm going to go ahead and put one there. And then my second finish was actually the little dragon, right? Now, I got these stickers very cheap, and people complained about this, that they weren't cut all the way through. I don't want to use him. You're a mess. There we go. That was easy. And he was little dragon was a square diamond painting as well. So put that there. And then I did Mary. And Mary was a round drill diamond painting. So we'll go ahead and put that here. So I'm going to be keeping track of that as well. There's 25 boxes for each drill shape. Highly doubt I'll do 25 of either. So that's why I felt like this was a big enough table. Obviously not going to do 102 whipping chats or kitten chats, but I started typing and just got carried away. This is from Kirbie, the diamond painter, on Instagram. She is doing an ISpy. I printed up the master card, but she has cards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can check these off as you post pictures. So, yeah, I didn't print up every sheet, but I might go back and do that just because I think it'll be fun. And then this is actually... This is actually hashtag 2025 DP Bingo, and this is also by Kay Radebaugh. She has a bingo Facebook group, and she has all these instructions. I just happen to print them up because, you know, I'm going to put them in this binder just to go ahead and refer to them. There's a lot of rules here, and then there's a bunch of different bingo cards, okay? And yeah, you can just go ahead and put stickers on the ones that you, like this is a fall, the picture should have a fall vibe. This is your spring, it should have a spring theme. A let's play, Asian bingo, littles, all pictures 30 by 30 or smaller, animals, summer vibes, small shop, celebrations. There's a ton of them. Artist choice, specials. All drills on this card must have special drill. You must use special drills. Let's play. Wild card. Oh, the wild card's behind it. And then here's some rules. So it says, okay, here's the bingo rules. And this is the bingo rules continue. So yeah, I just have to hole punch all of these and get them in my binder. So I got this binder, and I really like it because it has this magnetic clip here. So I can keep my expense sheet, what projects I'm working on under here, so I can add the dates really quickly. And then these video trackers and drill trackers. Inside, I just have some extra project sheets for my journal. And then this is the master copy of it. and then more expense sheets because I do one every month. I get a new one. And then this is extra time sheets. Here's my completed time sheets. I don't have one for Puppies and Butterflies because I started that last year. So I have Little Dragon, Mary, and then the mini set that I'm still working on, and then the project that I already completed. And then there's a folder here I can use, and a legal pad that came with it. This all came with it. I didn't add anything to this except for my printed sheets. So here is probably where I'm going to add my excuse me, I apologize. Here's where I'm going to add my ISpy and my bingo. And yeah, or I might add it in the front actually, because I'll probably be referring to these more than I will have to get my refills. So yeah, I got this off of Amazon as well. I'll link everything I got off of Amazon below, but that's what I've been doing to stay more organized. We can talk about, I'm going to be doing in February, I did 10 of my partials so far, and I posted them in my album, Diamond Painting with Jack and the Lounge with Annette, or Annette's Lounge is, are hosting 100 partials for 2025. So I did 10 so far. I'm pretty proud of that. I went to my girlfriend's house and I actually did 6 stickers. And I'm doing the 12 minis. And then my next project, I'm going to kit up right after this. You'll be seeing that video very, very soon. And yeah, we're just moving along. After the project that I'm about to kit up, I don't think that project's going to take very long. I think I'm going to do another large diamond art club. I think that's what my plan is. Initially, I was going to do the Unicorn Love, but I think I'm going to do a large diamond art club because I did say last year that my goal is to decrease my diamond art club stash, and I've only done one so far. So I'm going to try to mix them in there, and most of mine from Diamond Art Club are super huge. So I think I'm going to try to tackle one of those now, and that way I can get it done before the J-Wall event. So Debbie and I are going to be hosting the Josephine Wall 2025 together, and that's going to be run through April and May. So I know we were initially talking 6 weeks, but I don't know if we're going to be doing it for 8 weeks. I'll have to talk to Debbie again. And we are also, Debbie, the Crafty Diamond, and I are doing the mini event in DP, hashtag mini DP 2025 for the whole month of February. So there is a video on that as well. If you're interested, you can go ahead and watch that video. But yeah, that's my month in review. I feel very good about January. I'm feeling really good about February already. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up on the way out. And if you want to see more from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family and friends here at Kimbaskrafts. I would love to have you. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care. Keep diamond painting.